Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Today, I'll be making curry puff with my brother Brian and myself. So, before I get started, as always, the ingredients. So we have potato, onion, and chicken. We have rendang sauce and roti prata and olive oil. So, let's get started. So, add in olive oil. Now my brother will put in the onions. And now I turn the pot on. Hey guys, can you hear the sizzling? Alright, now it's time to put in the potato. Can I stir? Cooking the onions and potato, so now I shall open up the lid. Now my brother will put in the chicken. Alright, first I need to stir it first. Rendang paste. Rendang, baby. Blend, no. Go. Alright. When? Tomato? Thank you. Now, shall add a bit of water. Now, we shall leave it up to boil. Alright guys, now we have to let it simmer until it is dry. I think we're going to let it simmer for about 10 more minutes. Open it up, and as you can see, the potatoes are also mushy. That means it's a sign for us to dish it out. So I shall dish it out. Now, we shall set aside for 1 hour for it to cool. We're done with our curry. For the crust of the curry puff, we'll be using roti prata. We have our roti prata. Cut it in half. Like this. Roti prata. Let's do this for you. And that's for me. Kalate. Like that. So now, what we want to do is to make a little line so we can fold the roti prata. See, like that. Then after that we have to use a fork and then seal the part where we fold the curry puff. Then we will open the roti prata like a cone, see? And then I put the curry. But don't put so much. This is enough. Then we will have to seal it. Don't do it too fast. And then we have to use the fork again to seal it. Alright. That's our curry puff. Do it. Good job. I just need a bit more ketchup. Yummy. Alright. Alright. There we go. Done. Now, I will heating it up. Let's do it to 10 minutes. Alright. 10 minutes. It shall set. Now, in the meantime, we will boil it. We'll have tea time. It's done! Now, we will tongue it. After cooking will be like that, so you can eat it by crunching. It will be very yummy, but still hot. You have to blow it first before you eat it. You need to cool down for about maybe 10 minutes. Maybe 10 minutes. So I'll see you guys in 10 minutes. Charlie. Thanks for watching about my curry puff. So please like, share and subscribe. And until next time, bye. Subscribe our channel, big thumb and small thumb. Give a like the big hand and small hand. Bucky. Now we'll wait for this. We'll make the sound. It will become like this.